Hi everyone, my name is Megan Macarena, and the type of agency where I will be completing my concentration year field placement is an agency that primarily deals with youth who are in foster care, adolescents, transitional age youth, so youth who are ages 16 through 21. However, I will be concentrating with the homeless population. So I will be primarily providing on-the-spot counseling and crisis management to those who are actually homeless and or couch surfing. Some of them have been homeless for quite some time, and some of them have recently become homeless. I'm hoping to gain a different insight, a different perspective from this field experience as well as from the field seminar. I've been working with the same agency for the past 10 years, primarily with younger youth, so youth ages birth through 16, 17 years old, and more recently youth who are 16 to 19 years old. So the population that I will be primarily dealing with are those who are 21 and older. So that's a completely different population for me, and I've never fully dealt with adults before. So I'm excited, nervous, interested to really try a different setting, a different population, and to learn what it's all about to help those with those who are on the street, who are actually homeless. So I'm excited to try something new. As far as the field seminar, I'm interested in seeing what some of my cohorts, some of my peers have to say about their types of placements, just to see like everyone's different experiences and to gain some information that way, to see, what's working for some people, what's not working for some people, and what some of their experiences have been. I think that this field experience will be different from my previous placement, is basically because my previous placement was actually with my current job that I am in now, although it was not my current job at the time. So my internship before actually led to a change in my job role, and actually led to a promotion. So that was a good thing. And now I'm a program coordinator of a supervised independent living program. So when I was, doing my field placement before, I was providing basic case management skills and some clinical counseling actually to those in a supportive housing program. It led to a change in job role. So that was nice. I really enjoyed it. And it actually opened a lot of doors for me that I'm grateful for. So some of the roles will be different because these are people who, like I said, these are people who are actually homeless, who are actually living on the street. Whereas the clients that I were dealing with before actually had housing. So I am excited and can't wait to get started. See you guys around the course.